Hello, what's your name?
Kanishka Sahu.
Where do you study?
I study in Science National School.
So, what is this and what is this is happening?
I'm trying to cook food in a solar cooker.
Okay. So, can you explain about this cooker? What are these components and what are these things?
Yes. These things reflect light, reflect heat into the transparent container,
Okay.
and
So, it's a
The-
reflecting sheet.
yes, and this when gets into this, the heat get the heat is trapped in it, and it does not, and the heat is not able to come out. So the tiffin will take all the warmth and the heat, and I'm trying to boil some water, and the water will be warm water after some time.
Great. So, can you show? Because I can see some water vapor here and it is getting heat.
Yes.
So, this is just like the car, right?
Yes.
So, the greenhouse effect. So, that is the water, it is boiling. So, so you are keeping it to make something.
Yes.
Trying to do something for your dad.
Yes.
Okay, so what else can you do? You are boiling water, so what else can you do?
We can boil vegetables, make pasta, make noodles, etc.
So, where can you use this? Where will you use this?
We can use this at home, at school, at some picnics, while traveling, etc.
Okay, that's great. So, do we need to use this LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, or can we cook using solar energy?
If your gas is over, you can cook food with the heat by this solar cooker. You can buy one too.
Okay, that's great. So, this is a great thing. So, you are getting inspired by this
Yes.
and you are trying to educate your friends. Will you teach your friends and teachers?
Yes.
That's great. So, do you know that this reduces carbon emissions?
Yes.
So, what will happen with when carbon emission reduces is our environment will get better.
No. Means when carbon dioxide is produced, it's not good for our environment.
So, while making this food, are you producing any carbon dioxide?
No.
So, you are making this environment, this planet better.
Yes.
So, you are a young scientist from Sai International School who is making her first time you are making this food, right? Boiling water, and then you are going to cook more things, and you are going to protect the environment through solar energy. Wow, that's great. Students like you should come forward and make a lot more things. And I can see you are wearing a gloves.
Yes.
Why is that?
It's for safety.
It's for safety. Oh, that's great. So, yeah, this is a young girl from Sai International School who is smitten by the solar virus. So, she is cooking. How many cookers do you have right now?
3.
You have 3 cookers. And you have solar lights and other stuff.
Yes.
And you are going to do more experiments.
Yes.
So, guys, this is how we need to promote solar energy among youngsters and students, young scientists, young minds like Kanishka are going to, do great things in the future for this country and for this environment. This is Shashwat Panda signing off from Bhubaneswar.